Hey guys, welcome back to this beautiful Saskatchewan day. Today is Mother's Day, and I thought today would be the best day to make this video because, well, you will see a car that has been sitting where is since I was born, and I've never seen it move, and I think it's time to get out of the bush and start working on it. Definitely because it's my mom's car, and it's like her first car, I believe, so, well, here it is. This is a 1967 Galaxie two-door hardtop. It's been sitting in this pretty much grass area, bush, whatever you want to call it, since I've been born. I haven't ever seen it move, and Mom's always bugged us about, you know, restoring it, get it going, because it was her grandfather's car and then she got it. And yeah, so because of what's going to be coming up in the next couple months, I thought it would be the best time to move it. Well, plus today's Mother's Day, and a couple days ago on the 7th is her birthday. So today is the day we're gonna move it out. As you can see, there's random shit, trees growing up like around close by the tires, everything. You can see the tires, so it's pretty rusty, but it's a good foundation. I think the only real bad spot is here, where one winter it was dinged. Either, I can't remember if it was dinged by a tractor or some snow was plowed up beside it. But so what we're gonna do is try to clean up the grass around it, clean up around it so we can get it up, get some new tires on it, get it into a rolling stage, and we're gonna move it out of this area. So will be a time lapse of it getting pretty much cleaned up and moved out where it's been for the last, well, I guess over 30 years, 25 years at least. Hey. As you've seen in the time lapse, we got the car all lifted up, boarded up, so we could go get the rims off and get brand new tires. We just got some new tires so we can roll it around really easy. So we're gonna get them slapped on and hopefully get this thing pulled over before Mom even notices that it's gone. So we got the tires on, inflated, it's ready to roll. Mom kind of figured out we were doing it right at the end of us putting the tires on. She kind of came walking out and asked what we were doing. So yeah, she kind of knows the idea, but she's gonna be standing and watching us pull our little baby out of the car, and then we'll do another walk around because it's a little bit more damage than what we thought, but we gotta fix it anyway. So here's pulling out. We're gonna be using our big Bruin, and yeah. So because all the tires are all seized, we're gonna jack it up and see if we can break the drums on them all, because it's a 4-drum car. If not, we're gonna figure out how to get this thing rolling and not just getting across all of our grass. So we got the Galaxie in its resting spot for probably the next month. We got a couple things we gotta address, and we gotta do a couple things before we can start like blowing it apart, taking fenders off, doors off, and really assessing the damage. But the first thing we gotta address later in videos is all these disc brakes are completely seized. It can't even roll. So we use, like you've seen, we use the winch off the tow truck to winch it to where it is sitting now. It's not in the bush anymore. It's actually on some solid ground, nice low ground. Yeah, and then the other thing we gotta assess is the hood. We tried lifting the hood off, or lifting the hood to see the engine stuff, and it's completely seized also. So that's gonna be a project. So probably those two things will probably be done in a video in the next month, 2 months. It all depends on other projects and upcoming things that are coming up on the channel. But I just wanted to get this out of where it was for Mother's Day. It kind of worked out, but it's also to assess what we're gonna be working on. This car is probably not going to be done in the next like year. It's going to be probably a 3-year project because Mom wants it to be more of like a show car slash daily, like take it to work kind of thing. But so it's going to be not just a normal put it together, slap together. It's going to be actually probably taking, well, you've seen the dent in the back, take it to a good body shop that we know and get them to fix it. But we'll probably be rebuilding an engine or doing an engine swap. And then we gotta also address the chassis, which we might be maybe building a custom chassis, we'll see. And then custom suspension and different things. But Mom always keeps on saying she likes this teal color. She wants to keep it that teal color. So we'll see. But we'll get her reaction on it. And yeah. So how do you feel about your Mother's Day gift from everybody here?
I am just tickled pink. I'm so excited that she's out of the bush life. She's been there for 27 years, roughly, 26, 27 years. Yeah, she was given to me by my grandfather for a grad present. I drove her for my first year of university, and a few years after, and I am just so excited. Thank you to Keith and the boys for doing this. And yeah, I am so excited. Thank you.
So there you got it. Yeah, like I said, this car is going to be a slow process. We're not going to just half-ass stuff, I guess. It's going to be done right if we have to. If we can't do it, we're going to find somebody to do it. Like I said, I kind of want to make this car into a really nice show car. Definitely a showpiece for Hogemann Raceworxs and stuff we can do. And pretty much make it more of a, what would you call that? Pretty much a thing for like a grandkids, and then just passing on. That's the goal for the cars, because it was my great grandfather's car, and then my mom got it, and then just keep passing down generations and keep improving it. So that's why we don't really want to just, like I said, half-ass it. We actually want to take it, rebuild it, do it right. So that's why it's going to be a slow process. They're be a random video, maybe every month, maybe 2 months. It all depends on what we get done on it and what we find later on. So just keep watching the channel, subscribe, like, comment. If you got anybody that knows anything about the Galaxies or has connections with people that can get parts, you know, just comment it, send me a video. I don't know, it's kind of cool. It's definitely a different project, because if you haven't seen, we pretty much all drive, well, everybody here either drives a Dodge or a Chev. I think this is the only Ford on our property. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you later.